We are on Dino Jeeps. Oh, there's a dinosaur breaking out. Quick, Elle. Elliot's driving.
I can't go this quick because it's too slow.
Is it? As long as we don't crash. Dinosaurs.
Oh no.
That one's hatching.
Go quick. No.
All the way up, eating the leaves. That one's hiding in the bushes. Peekaboo. We got a raptor. And then we're coming back in. Oh no, it continues. I thought we were back in the main building. Yeah! Squirty dinosaur! And the T-Rex. Oh no, that's nice. Can we come back on it? And now we're back at the main building.